Rocker Pat here. All right, guys, another hot rocket day in the jungle. Man, it is Friday morning, and we are rocking it down, getting it down, and making it sound under that big, beautiful Texas sky. Oh, man, Sketchy Dick got a flat. I got to get the hose out here on him. Got this one coming in for a harmonic balancer. Gigi is just sitting here in the way. Jackie is looking beautiful. And, man, the big, long, black one is running, boys. This thing's going to be my heavy hauler. Meaning that we got good brakes on this thing. So, I ended up having to replace the gas tank. Got a new gas tank. Got a new fuel pump sending unit. Got a new fuel filter put in it. And still, I had to tap on the side of them injectors to get this thing to fire off. But I did get it to fire off, and I figured I'd make a little short video here. Well, maybe not one of them YouTube short ones. Still don't have the hoses hooked up. Got to put the cooling system back together with it in a second here. I do have an exhaust leak, and what the problem with that is that this spring back here jacks with that pipe right there and gets everybody all cattywampus when I'm trying to put this engine back in. Yeah, that dash is all jacked. But there's another one right there. So anyway, y'all don't care about the dash. Y'all want to hear me start this truck engine. Well, let's start this truck engine, because it's actually running pretty damn good. Didn't have to touch the valves. Everything's good to go. Yeah, the big long black one runs again. Got an exhaust leak back over there. I'm gonna come back and fix that. But injectors are pumping clean fuel. Timing is right. Sitting there idling, purred. No rocker arm noise. Next step is get some coolant in this thing. Get the wheels and tires back on it. Get it back outside. Then I need to order up a set of upper control arm bushings for both sides. Get it in here, do that, do an alignment. Get this thing ready to rock and roll so we can take that big bad boat for a ride. Well, got to work on the big bad boat next, but at least we're getting closer to being able to work on the big bad boat. All right, guys, y'all keep rocking and a rolling and a rolling and a rocking. I got some cooling to do over here. Talk to y'all next time. All right, the big long black one is running.